Okay, welcome back. Let's take a look at question 10 from the STARR test of 2019. It says triangle ABC was transformed to create triangle A prime, B prime, C prime. And it's asking for which rule best to describe this transformation, the rule of the transformation. So let's think, what prior knowledge, what do we know about transformations? So we have learned about 4 types of transformations. First is translation or slide. Second is reflection or flip. Third is rotation. And the fourth is called dilation. The first 3, there's no changes in size. There's no change in size. No size changes. And the fourth one, dilation, changes the size. Okay, now let's look at this this graph. What information do we know from the question? So let's observe this graph. From A to A prime, from B to B prime, from C to C prime. I'm going to draw some lines to help us see what happened. Okay. A to A prime, B to B prime, and C to C prime. So as we can see, every point on this triangle basically just slide downward. So it is a translation. Okay, it's not a flip, it's not rotation, and the size didn't change. So since this is a translation, let's find out the rule. Let's take each point, say for this C. Before the translation, C was at a point of where X is 4 and Y is 2. So it was 4 and 2. After the translation, C prime is at X is 4 and Y is -5. So C prime becomes 4 and -5. And for B, before the translation, its position is at 1, X is 1 and Y is 2. So for B, it's 1 and 2. For B prime, it's X is 1 and Y is -5. So it's 1 and -5. So here we can see their X remain the same. 4 remains 4 and 1 remains 1. And their Y -7. Y goes down by 7. So X remains the same and Y -7. And the same thing happens to B. X is the same, Y 2 -7 becomes -5. So Y -7. So we can see the rule is X remains the same, Y goes down by 7. Or we can say X, Y becomes X remains the same and Y -7. So if the triangle slides down, it will be minus. If it slides up, it will become plus. So here it slides down, it's Y -7. So the correct answer will be F. Did you get the correct answer?